entrepreneurs, we have to also think about the successful for the.
How do you deal with your setbacks and pressure of an entrepreneur life when you're transiting from a very safe environment to a middle of the ocean life as an entrepreneur?
Yeah. Firstly, I think we have to have a little bit about like we love some venture things, like to go venture to do something a little bit more risky than just in a very safe environment. We have to step out of our comfort zone to make more things. And the second thing, I think that we have to manage our expectation about what we will do in the future as an entrepreneur. Because if we expect that in the next 1 or 2 years we will be a billionaire with big houses and big cars, and then the real world can kill us with those I can call it on the cloud expectation. So we have to manage this, have to manage ourselves on earth, on land, to make more realistic things. To me, of course, when we decide to be an entrepreneur, we have to also think about the successful for the business, because when we succeed with the idea, we can create more values. But to me, successful is just kind of the side effects of our endeavor, of our process to create values. And when we I think the most important thing is to manage our expectation. So to me, I can foresee the very challenging journey when doing our business. So when we face and we also think about those kind of difficulties, kind of challenges in advance, because I think it's also fortunate for me to have a long, it's not too long, but about more than 6 years into management consulting services. So I had chances to work with a lot of big and small corporate companies. So I can learn a lot from their operations and management style, etc. A lot of things that I learned from that period. But even though I still face, until now, I still facing with a lot of problems and difficulties in my business, especially with the COVID-19. Even I was also kind of risk management consultant before at KPMG, and also risk management, internal risk management at Prudential Assurance Vietnam. But the thing is, to this different with COVID-19.
Yeah, thank you for sharing about